What's up, everyone? Dr. Bell with Dr. Bell Health, and today I'm going to talk to you dads. I'm a dad just like you. I've got 4 kids, and you're probably like me, where when you first had your kids, you were rolling around on the ground with them, playing with them. You were out in your yard throwing the ball with them, thinking they're going to be the next great baseball player or football player. But now, when they ask you to go out, you're too tired. Maybe you're too tired from work, you're just too tired from stress, or maybe you're a little bit overweight and you can't move like you used to. So you sit on the porch and watch. I want you to know that this is not your fault, but it is your fault what you do with the information I'm about to give you in the next day, the next week, the next month, the next year. I want you to be the father that you know that you can be and you want to be. So it's not being lazy, not being able to do all that stuff, and it's not just getting older. Your metabolism changes. Your doctor might even run some labs or blood work on you and say everything looks fine. Your hormones, your testosterone might be a little low, but it's okay. And you need to just lose a little bit of weight. So go to the gym more and eat less food. We know it doesn't work like that. I was 30 pounds overweight and I was tired. I couldn't be the dad I wanted to be. I couldn't be the husband I wanted to be. So what I did was I went through the program that we offer here at Dr. Bell Health. We have the greatest physicians. They're specifically trained in weight loss, hormone therapy, and peptides, not someone that does it on the side or just writes a script. You talk to them on the phone. It doesn't cost you anything to talk to them. They'll run the labs if they need to, and they will get you on the program you need to get on to be the dad that you want to be and your kids want you to be. So go to drbellhealth.com, book your free consult, and talk to one of our physicians. We run real labs, and we have compounded medication that is sent to your home. If you want to keep watching from the porch, which I know you don't want to, go to drbellhealth.com and get back on the playing field with your kids. Play with them, do stuff with them, and be the man you know you can be. I'm Dr. Bell, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.